Hey everyone, you should have recently received an email from Remax Recharge with 5 tips for how to create a holiday community page. There are instructions in this attached to that email on how to go about doing this, but I just wanted to show you what Justin Hansel and I put together today. Let me show you our holiday community page. It's something that you can create for maybe a neighborhood that you like to work and share it out to the world so that they can go to your website as a resource of things to do over the holidays in that neighborhood. So we created a page that we titled The Holidays in Wyoming. Let me get myself out of the way. And so here we have Home for the Holidays in Wyoming. Create new memories with your family this holiday season. Talking about what Wyoming has to offer. Then we have a little gallery here of some events and things that you can do around the holidays in Wyoming, Ohio. Here we have a little blurb about finding a home for the holidays and listings of homes that are available right now. A video of a holiday event that happens in Wyoming, and a contact form for them to contact you. So just to quickly show you how you can put something like this together is if you go to booj and then head to your website and then click on pages, which I have here. I'm just going to show you what this looked like when we started to put it together. Okay, so the first block is already there for you. It's called the hero image. Here you can find a photo to use as the top of the page. When I went in here, I was able to click here and actually Google holidays and found a stock. This image is already here for you in booj. And I just chose this one. And then I gave it a title and a description. And then I saved my changes. And then following the directions that they give you on this sheet that I just held up a moment ago, it suggests that you add a text box with what that neighborhood has to offer all year round. So I hit add block and I chose text. And then as you can see here, when you choose the text box, it's pretty much just like a Word document. And I wrote up a little blurb about Wyoming overall, and especially during the holidays. They then ask that we add an image and text gallery. That if you add a block, it looks like this. When you do this, you have the opportunity to add multiple photos and information. So as you can see here, we did one about Light Up Wyoming, which is something that occurs in Wyoming every year, along with a link to a site that Wyoming has with more information. And then we talked about restaurants and coffee shops with a link to go to those restaurants in that area. You can continue to add items. I only added 2, but I could click add item, choose another image, and give a title and description as to what that next item might be. Next, it had us add an image plus text, which again, you hit add block and then image plus text. All of the photos that you choose for images can be found in the stock images. You can upload one from your computer. You can create something in Canva that you want to add. It's up to you. So we added a photo of a house lit up for the holidays and talked about your dream gift and finding a home. Next, we came down here and we added the saved search block. When you add the saved search block, you can choose an area. Let me find it here. Here we go. Just to give you an idea of what it looks like. You can name it featured listings. In this case, we had named it holiday Wyoming listings. And then you can choose how you want to sort them, choose the neighborhood, and so forth. So I'm going to get out of that since we already have this block. Let me delete that. Next, I added a video. Again, you just add block, choose the video block, and follow the instructions. They have to be a YouTube video or an MP4. So you can go onto Google and try to find something that you think suits the neighborhood and the area that you're trying to put out there. And lastly, we chose to add a contact form. When you choose the contact form, you just have to come up with a jazzy thing to say here to get them to fill that out to contact you. But anyway, that is how you would go about creating your own community holiday page. Again, the instructions are linked in this email so that you can download them and follow them yourself. And if you need any help at all, I'd be more than happy to meet with you or have a Zoom call and go through the steps and help you to create your own community page. Choose maybe where you live or an area that you work a lot, and then share it out there on Facebook and get it out there for everyone to see. Anyway, I hope you decide to do this. And again, I'm happy to help, and I hope all of you enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.